Alright, we're gonna do snakes.
There's like 15 boxes right there.
Alright, that's Nikki and that's Kayla. Alright, and light them.
Kind of scared to see this.
Yeah.
Dumb lighter.
No, it's probably just dumb you. Alright, we got it.
We're gonna need some more assistance though.
Step out lighting. Alright, Kayla, light.
Sophie's outside one too.
Bonfire! Banzai! Banzai! Whoa, holy, look at the smoke. Holy crap. Holy. That is crazy.
It looks like an explosion.
I know it does.
That was cool.
Ew,
Look at all that.
That's sweet.
That is pretty cool.
Do you have any more of this?
There's more inside.
Ooh.
And that was our. Look how hot they are. They're red.
Yeah, duh, they're probably purple.
Shut up. That.
Now we can't redo this.
That was our snakes.
Yes.
And she's trying to light ashes.
Alright, that's Kayla, and that's Nikki. Alright, there we go. So subscribe.